Welcome to OneWell Healthcare's Family Member Schedules. This feature within the OneWell mobile app was designed to give family members clear, reliable access to schedules for their loved ones. With an easy-to-navigate layout and flexible viewing options, family member schedules help families stay informed, organized, and confident in coordinating care. By the end of this walkthrough, family members will be able to locate and access the Family Member Schedules button in the OneWell mobile app, navigate schedules using Day View, Month View, and List View, understand calendar indicators, employee colors, and weekly hour totals, open individual schedules to view detailed visit information, edit their own future schedules when permitted. Purpose of Family Member Schedules. The purpose of Family Member Schedules is to provide transparency and flexibility for families. By offering a clear and organized overview of scheduled care, family members can stay informed about who is supporting their loved one and when services are scheduled to occur. This access helps reduce confusion, supports better coordination, and ensures families have the information they need when they need it. Accessing Family Member Schedules. As soon as you open the OneWell mobile app, you should see a pink button on your home page labeled Family Member Schedules. If you do not see this button, please reach out to your direct supervisor so access can be added. Select Family Member Schedules to continue. Once selected, the app will automatically open to today's date in Day View. In Day View, you can see at a glance who is scheduled for today by scrolling up or down the screen. Each scheduled employee is listed by name, with the total number of hours they are scheduled for the current week displayed beneath their name. At the top of the screen, you'll see a mini calendar. Below each date, colored dots indicate how many employees are scheduled for that day. For example, a single yellow dot under today's date means one employee is scheduled. If there are no dots under a date, that means no one is scheduled for that day. You can also view an employee's weekly hour status. Above the weekly hours, a green checkmark indicates the employee is within their scheduled limits. As an employee approaches 40 hours, this indicator will change from green to yellow and then red. Please note that any references to Justin in this walkthrough are for training purposes only, as Justin is a test account. Changing schedule views. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the current view listed as Day View. Selecting this option allows you to switch between Day View, Month View, and List View. All views offer the same functionality. The difference is simply how schedules are displayed, allowing you to choose the format that works best for you. Month View provides an overview of all scheduled visits for the selected month. Each employee is color-coded for easy identification, making it simple to see who is scheduled on specific days. List View displays schedules in chronological order. This view is helpful for reviewing upcoming or past visits in a clear timeline format. Viewing schedule details. To view details for a specific visit, you must be in Day View or List View. Select a scheduled visit, then tap View. The schedule form displays key details including the employee scheduled, the participant being supported, the type of service, and the scheduled date and time. Editing your own schedule. Family members may view all schedules, but editing is limited. You can only edit your own schedules and only for future dates or times. Editing is available in Day View and List View. To make a change, select your future schedule, tap Edit, and confirm your selection. You may update the date and time, but you cannot change the employee, participant, or service type. Past or current schedules cannot be edited. Family member schedules were designed with families in mind. This feature provides clear visibility into care schedules, flexible viewing options, and limited editing capabilities to support accurate and reliable scheduling. By using the OneWell mobile app, family members can stay informed, coordinate more effectively, and feel confident knowing they have up-to-date scheduling information at their fingertips. If you have any questions or need additional support, please contact OneWell's training team at training@onewell.org.